Good morning, my dear children. I am going to teach you about the chemical bonding. In this chapter, I was already discussed about the types of bond. You know that chemical bonds are of three types: ionic bond, covalent bond, and coordinate bond. In my previous lecture, I was discussed about the ionic bonds and covalent bonds. Now, I am going to discuss about the coordinate bond. It is a third type of bond. Coordinate bond is also known as dative bond. Dative bond or coordinate bond. This is a bond formed by sharing of electrons. But here, the shared pair of electrons are donated by only one atom. The shared pair of electrons belong to only one atom. This bond is shown by making this type of arrow. This is the donor atom and this one is acceptor atom. The arrow is shown from donor to acceptor. The difference between covalent and coordinate is that in covalent bond, both atoms participate equal number of electrons. But in coordinate, the electron pairs belong to only one atom. For example, in ozone, O3 is ozone molecule, three oxygen atoms are bonded together. You know that each oxygen carries 6 electrons in outermost shell like this. All these oxygen atoms contain 6 electrons in valence shell. Here 6 and 2 electrons are shared with this oxygen and both the oxygen atoms completed 8 electrons. This oxygen only accepts this pair of electrons from this oxygen atom. In this way, it forms O double bond O. This one is double coordinate bond and this one is covalent bond. Like this, this is the structure of ozone. Here, two double covalent bonds are present and this one is third type of bond, that is coordinate or dative bond. Take one more example like NH4 plus. In ammonium ion, this one is ammonium ion. In ammonium ion, nitrogen is present in center, surrounded by 4 hydrogen, and this positive charge is present in any one of the hydrogen atom. This hydrogen contains 1 electrons each, but this hydrogen does not contain any electron because it carries a positive charge. Nitrogen contains 5 electrons in valence shell. Each hydrogen shares its electron and complete 2 electron. You know that hydrogen completes only duplet, not octet. And nitrogen completes by sharing 1 electron from each. This one is coordinate bond. Here N arrow H plus and here 3 covalent bonds are present. In this way, this is the structure of ammonium ion. So these are about the coordinate or dative bond. Now I am going to discuss about some electron dot diagrams, or you can say Lewis diagrams of certain compounds. Here you keep in mind hydrogen completes only 2 electrons, means duplet, by sharing 1 electron, and all other atoms complete 8 electrons by sharing or by transfer of electrons, octet. Here, for example, HCl, hydrogen contains 1 electron, chlorine contains 7 valence electrons. In this way, hydrogen shares 1 electron and complete H single bond Cl. In this way, hydrogen and chlorine forms a single covalent bond. In H2O, Oxygen is surrounded by two hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen contains 1 electron, oxygen contains 6 electrons, like this. Hydrogen shares 1 electron from oxygen, and in this way hydrogen forms single covalent bond. These electrons are called lone pair of electrons, means unshared pair of electrons. This is called lone pair, or you can say unshared pair of electrons. This chlorine contains 3 lone pair electrons, this oxygen contains 2 lone pairs. Take one more example of ammonia, NH3. Nitrogen is in the center, surrounded by 3 hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen contains 1 electron, like this. Nitrogen contains 5 electrons, in this way. Hydrogen shares its electrons, like this, and complete 8 electrons. And on showing this bond line, this nitrogen contains lone pair, 1 lone pair of electrons is present here. In this way, these bonds are formed. Okay? Try to make some electron dot diagrams, or you can say Lewis diagrams of certain compounds. I give you as a homework, draw Lewis diagram, or you can say electron dot diagram of following compounds. First one is CH4, second one is C2H6, third one is C2H4, fourth one is C2H2, fifth one PH3 phosphine gas, sixth one H2S, hydrogen sulfide, seventh PCl3, and eighth last one after PCl3 you try to draw POCl3. Okay, try to draw electron diagrams of these compounds. If any problem, then ask me. Okay, thank you.